Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to extract data from Power BI. I'll show you two ways. The first one is where we extract data for each visualization, and the other one is where we do this for the whole report. Now the first one, this is my dashboard. I come here, click on any visualization, and I can click on these three dots, okay? As you can see, I click on these three dots, and then what you want to go ahead and do is click on this option, okay? Export data. Now, we see our file explorer, so you can go ahead and choose anywhere you want to save this. Make sure it's saved as a CSV file. Click here on save. There we go. We'll save that right there, and then I'll open this up for you. But until then, let me show you the other way. Click here on file at the top left. Okay. Come here, click on export, and then you can export this as a PDF as well. So click here on export to PDF, and now we will be exporting the whole report. As you can see, it's generating a PDF of my report for me. Meanwhile, I'll open this CSV file just to show you. Right, seems like the PDF is done. It's opening up on my Edge browser. Okay. And here we go. So this is page 1. Let's move on to page 2. Okay, this is perfect. So we have all the pages that I had created. And now let's move on to the Excel file. Here we go. I can go ahead and enlarge this. And we have exported our data. Really that easy and simple.